If you have ever looked at your monthly utility bill and wondered where all that money is going, you are not alone. And the good news is that smart home upgrades that actually pay for themselves over time are more accessible than most homeowners realize. This is not about buying flashy gadgets just because they are trendy. This is about making strategic investments in your home that reduce waste, lower your bills, and quietly put money back in your pocket month after month. Today, we are walking through the smart home upgrades that deliver real, measurable savings, how long each one takes to pay for itself, and why so many homeowners overlook them simply because they do not realize how quickly the return on investment adds up. Let us start with the one upgrade almost every energy expert recommends first, and that is a smart thermostat. Heating and cooling typically account for close to half of a home's total energy usage, which means even small improvements in how your system runs can create noticeable savings. A smart thermostat learns your daily routine, adjusts temperatures automatically when you are away or asleep, and can be controlled remotely from your phone so you're never heating or cooling an empty house. Many homeowners see their energy bills drop within the very first month. And most smart thermostats pay for themselves within 1 to 2 years, sometimes faster depending on your climate and how inefficient your old thermostat was. Considering that most of these devices cost less than a couple $100s, this is one of the fastest and most reliable ways to start reducing energy waste without changing a single habit. Once your thermostat is optimized, the next smart home upgrade worth serious consideration is smart lighting, particularly LED bulbs, paired with smart switches or motion sensors. It sounds almost too simple, but lighting adds up more than people expect, especially in homes where lights get left on in empty rooms out of habit. Smart lighting systems allow you to schedule lights, dim them automatically, or have them shut off completely when no motion is detected in a room. LED bulbs alone use a fraction of the energy that traditional incandescent bulbs use and last significantly longer, which means fewer replacements and lower electricity draw over time. When you combine efficient bulbs with smart controls that eliminate wasted usage, most households recover the upfront cost within a year, making this one of the most affordable entry points into smart home savings. Now let us talk about a smart home upgrade that often gets overlooked but genuinely deserves more attention, and that is smart power strips and plug monitoring devices. Many electronics and appliances continue drawing power even when they are turned off, a phenomenon often called phantom load or vampire energy. Televisions, gaming consoles, chargers, and kitchen appliances are common culprits. Smart power strips cut power completely to devices that are not in use, and some even let you track exactly how much energy each device is consuming through an app. While the savings from any single device might seem small, phantom energy use can account for a surprising percentage of a household's electricity bill over the course of a year, which means this low-cost upgrade often pays for itself within just a few months. Moving into a slightly bigger investment, smart water heater controllers and leak detection systems are becoming one of the most talked about smart home upgrades that actually save money long-term. Traditional water heaters run continuously to maintain a set temperature, even during hours when no one is using hot water. Smart water heater controllers adjust heating schedules based on your household's actual usage patterns, reducing unnecessary energy consumption significantly. On top of the energy savings, smart leak detectors placed near water heaters, washing machines, and undersinks can alert you the moment a leak begins, allowing you to shut off water remotely before a small drip turns into thousands of dollars in water damage. When you factor in both the ongoing energy savings and the potential to avoid one costly repair, this upgrade often pays for itself many times over, sometimes with a single prevented disaster, covering the entire cost of the system for years. Speaking of preventing costly disasters, this is a great moment to highlight how smart home technology overlaps with home safety, and how home safety tips every family should know are increasingly built directly into smart devices. Smart smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors do more than just make noise when there is danger. They send alerts directly to your phone, even when you are not home, which means you can respond to an emergency before it spreads or escalates. Considering that fire damage and related repairs can cost tens of thousands of dollars, and that early detection dramatically reduces both property damage and risk to your family, these devices offer a return on investment that goes far beyond dollars and cents, even though they also help lower certain home insurance premiums in some cases. Let us shift now to one of the most impactful smart home upgrades for homeowners dealing with inconsistent temperatures throughout their house, and that is smart vents and zoned climate control. If you have ever wondered why your house feels cold even with the heat on, the answer often lies in uneven airflow rather than a failing furnace. Smart vents automatically open and close based on the temperature needs of each individual room, which means you're no longer heating or cooling rooms that do not need it, like guest bedrooms or rarely used spaces. This targeted approach reduces strain on your HVAC system, extends its lifespan, and can lower energy bills significantly, particularly in larger homes where temperature inconsistency is a common complaint. Many homeowners find that this upgrade pays for itself within 2 to 3 years, especially when combined with a smart thermostat for a fully optimized heating and cooling system. Now, no conversation about smart home upgrades that actually pay for themselves would be complete without discussing smart irrigation systems, especially for homeowners with lawns or gardens. Traditional sprinkler systems often run on fixed schedules regardless of weather conditions, which means they frequently water lawns that do not need it, wasting both water and money. Smart irrigation controllers use local weather data and soil moisture sensors to adjust watering schedules automatically, ensuring your lawn gets exactly what it needs and nothing more. Depending on your region and water costs, this upgrade can reduce outdoor water usage substantially each year. And for many households, the system pays for itself within 1 to 2 growing seasons through reduced water bills alone. Let us also touch on smart home security systems, because while their primary purpose is safety, they offer financial benefits that are often underestimated. Smart doorbell cameras, smart locks, and integrated security systems not only protect your home from break-ins, but frequently qualify homeowners for discounts on home insurance premiums. Beyond that, smart locks eliminate the need for costly locksmith visits when keys are lost, since you can grant or revoke access remotely, and video doorbells can prevent porch theft, which has become an increasingly common and costly issue for homeowners who order packages online. When you combine insurance discounts with the prevention of theft-related losses, many smart security upgrades pay for themselves within a relatively short period, while also providing invaluable peace of mind. For homeowners looking at slightly larger investments, smart attic fans and ventilation monitors deserve serious attention, particularly because they connect directly to some of the most common home maintenance mistakes that cost homeowners thousands. Poor attic ventilation can lead to trapped heat in the summer, which forces your air conditioning system to work harder, and trapped moisture in the winter, which can contribute to mold growth and even roof damage over time. Smart attic fans automatically activate based on temperature and humidity levels, reducing strain on your cooling system while also protecting your roof and insulation from long-term moisture damage. Considering that roof repairs and mold remediation can be extraordinarily expensive, this upgrade offers savings on 2 fronts at once, making it one of the more financially strategic choices for homeowners in warmer climates or homes with older ventilation systems. Another upgrade worth mentioning is smart humidity and air quality monitors, which tie directly into the ongoing conversation about furnace filters and indoor air quality. Many homeowners are surprised to learn that poor indoor air quality does not just affect health, it can also affect your energy bills and the lifespan of your HVAC system. Smart air quality monitors track humidity levels, dust, and airborne particles, alerting you when filters need to be changed or when humidity levels are creating conditions for mold growth. Replacing filters on time keeps your HVAC system running efficiently, which reduces energy consumption, while maintaining proper humidity levels can prevent damage to wood flooring, furniture, and even the structural components of your home. While these monitors do not offer dramatic savings on their own, they protect the efficiency of every other heating and cooling investment in your home, making them a smart complementary upgrade rather than a standalone one. As we bring all of these smart home upgrades together, it becomes clear that the homeowners who see the biggest financial return are not the ones who buy every gadget available, but the ones who choose upgrades strategically based on their specific home and habits. If your energy bills are your biggest concern, start with a smart thermostat and smart lighting, since these offer the fastest payback period for the lowest upfront cost. If you are more concerned about preventing costly disasters, prioritize smart leak detectors and smart smoke detectors, since a single prevented incident can save you far more than the cost of the device itself. If your home struggles with uneven temperatures or high water bills, smart vents and smart irrigation systems will likely offer the most noticeable improvement to your monthly expenses. The overarching theme across every one of these smart home upgrades that actually pay for themselves over time is that small, consistent reductions in waste create substantial savings when you look at the full picture over several years. None of these upgrades require you to change your lifestyle dramatically or sacrifice comfort. In fact, most of them improve comfort while simultaneously reducing costs, which is exactly what makes them worth considering for any homeowner looking to make their house more efficient, safer, and less expensive to maintain. Whether you start with a $50 smart plug or invest in a more comprehensive smart thermostat and vent system, the key is understanding that these are not expenses. They are investments. And like any good investment, the returns compound the longer you hold on to them. If you found this breakdown helpful, take a moment to think about which upgrade would make the biggest difference in your own home, and consider starting there this month, rather than waiting for the perfect time, because every month you wait is another month of paying for energy waste that a simple smart upgrade could have eliminated.